Hello folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you 2018 Ram 1500 Harvest Edition. Stock number 28199T. Now this truck's a full crew cab. Granite, crystal in color. Good looking truck. Now this Harvest Edition actually has the Ram box on it, on the bed. Good looking vehicle. Got the 5.7 Hemi in it, 8-speed transmission, 4x4. We got a semi-gloss black 20-inch rims, semi-gloss step bar as well. Dark slate cloth interior. We do have the buckets. Big 8.4 touchscreen radio. It is navigation. Dual temperature control zones. Trailer brake. Fog lamps. Power driver seat. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power sliding window. A lot of this stuff is part of that Harvest Edition. Here's your Ram boxes. Got lighting in here as well. Spray in bed liner. LED bed lighting. Rear backup camera. Trailer tow package. Gorgeous truck. Again, 2018 Ram 1500 full crew cab, Harvest Edition, granite crystal in color. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.